show you guys real quick, and then we're gonna get this guy back in the water. But what a beautiful triple tail. This is an amazing eating fish. Now, we got a whole show to shoot, and I want to get this guy back in, but if you ever get a chance to eat one of these, they're fantastic. All right, we're gonna go over some tools here for you guys. Really important surf fishing tools. Number one, paramount to your success out here is going to be having a strong pliers. Now, these are some pliers that we use in our freshwater fishing tackle kit, and we like these out here because you've got the line cutter here, the wire cutter for your leaders, a crimper when you're crimping down for making leaders, as well as a hook remover. And so these are just super easy. They're really versatile, but you know, they are stainless steel. They're gonna rust. They're not ideal for saltwater, and so you might want to invest in some pretty expensive ones. Otherwise, you know, you can get a $5, $6 pair like this, and they work fantastic out here. Second, you got to have a fillet knife, and this is going to enable you to cut your cut bait, as well as, you know, trim down some shrimp or cut up your squid so you can get strips out. And so these are really important for just your bait management, but also important if you catch anything out here, you're going to want to fillet it quickly and gut it at least before you get home, because it's so hot out here. The water's so warm. So to have fresh fillets, if you are keeping fish, you want to have a fillet knife on hand while you're out on the water. Lastly, we've got some bolt cutters here. And, you know, not everybody needs these. If you're fishing in Florida, you got to have them on you. But these are for shark waters, right? If we catch a big shark or any shark that's in the kind of exotic or, you know, no-go species list in Group 2 or Group 3 down here,